Well, it's Michael from GlenMyu Estate, and Sri Lanka certainly has a wonderful amount of nature. We're up in Horton Plains at the moment, on the track going to Totupala Kanda, which is the third highest peak in Sri Lanka, and we're really up here because the Nelu flowers that flower every 12 years are in bloom, and it's just been amazing. The colours, just beautiful coming through here. Walking through these colours on this track has just been amazing. It's just sad that it's every 12 years, because this is something that you would want to do again and again.